This video demonstrates how to merge or combine multiple PDF documents into one document by using the PyPDF2 library in Python. I have here open on my screen the two PDFs I will be merging together. The first is a document I collected from the National Partnership for Quality After-School Learning and is 2 pages long. The second PDF is a multiplication table, and it is only 1 page. This is from suncatcherstudio.com, as you can see from the URL at the bottom of the image. I grabbed these from separate resources online, and they are in no way related to one another. Moving to our Jupyter notebook, I begin by importing the only library I will need here, PyPDF2. To start, I will be storing in the PDF list variable the names of our two PDFs. You can see both of them over here on the left in the directory with my notebook. The next thing I need to do is create a PDF writer object. The PDF writer will help me create the final PDF of the two documents that I merged together. The object is located at pypdf2.pdfwriter. The object will be stored in my PDF writer variable. I now start a for loop to iterate through the PDFs that I have. You can see the loop is iterating through the names of the PDF in the PDF list. The loop variable will be called PDF. Within the loop, I collect the PDF by accessing the PDF reader method of PyPDF2. To that method, I pass the name of the PDF via the loop variable. I store the returned PDF reader object in the PDF reader variable. Each PDF reader object has a pages attribute, which you can see I am accessing right here. You can use the len function to obtain the integer of how many pages there are, which can be passed to the range function. So this line of code means that for each page number loop variable within the amount of pages in the PDF, do the following. First, collect the content of the page number for the given page in the loop. That is done by accessing our PDF reader's object pages attribute. The pages attribute is a list of pages, and you can select which page you want by passing the integer within the square brackets. So this page variable is storing the contents of one page of a PDF at a time, as the loop is progressing. Second, add that page that we just retrieved to the PDF writer object. Now we have to actually create the document. We have our PDF writer object with the content, but it needs to be written somewhere. So I will start with my open function here, declaring the title I would like to use, mergedpdfs.pdf, and make sure that I am using WB to write with binary. This document will be referenced as output PDF. I then access the PDF writer object with all my content, and I call its write method. To that method, I just need to pass the document I am writing to, output PDF. Keep an eye over here on the left as I execute this cell. See what just appeared? A new document called Merged PDFs. Let's open it and see what we just created. We can see both of the separate PDFs have been brought together to create a single PDF document with all 3 pages. So it is fairly straightforward. You create your PDF writer object, iterate through all of the PDFs you would like to combine, extracting all pages from it, and storing the contents of those pages to the PDF writer object. And finally, you open a new document and write the content of that PDF writer to the newly created document. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, as that does help other people find this content. If you liked it, leave a comment below letting me know what you did like, as well as what other features of Python you would like to see reviewed in future videos. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.